Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Kali Linux. Kali Linux, as many of you know, is a powerful tool used by security professionals for ethical hacking and penetration testing. While it comes with a lot of tools pre-installed, sometimes we need to use a browser like Google Chrome for its speed and security. I'll walk you through the process and show you how to organize everything by using a custom directory for the installation. Let's get started. Before we begin installing any new software, it's important to update your system. This ensures that all your packages are up to date and your system is secure. Open your terminal and type this command: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. It will update your system's package list and apply any necessary upgrades. Enter your password when prompted, and let the system complete the update process. This might take a few minutes. Next, let's create a folder where we will download and install Google Chrome. Organizing everything in one directory makes it easier to manage later. Here, I had already created a directory called Google_Chrome inside a folder named Informats. Feel free to name your folder however you like. Now, navigate into the newly created directory. This will set the Google_Chrome folder as our working directory for the entire installation process. Let's download the Google Chrome.deb package directly into our custom directory. We'll use the wget command to do this. This command downloads the latest stable version of Google Chrome into the Google_Chrome folder. Keeping the .deb file in this directory helps maintain organization. Once the download is complete, you'll find the .deb file in the Google_Chrome folder, ready for installation. Now that we've downloaded the Google Chrome package into our custom directory, it's time to install it. There are two methods you can use, and I'll walk you through both. You only need to choose one method to complete the installation. The first method is using the dpkg package manager. This tool helps manage .deb packages in Debian-based systems like Kali Linux. The command used is sudo dpkg Google Chrome stable _current _amd64.deb. This command will directly install the Google Chrome.deb file that we downloaded. It's a straightforward way to install the package from our custom directory. Alternatively, you can use the apt package manager to install Google Chrome. This method automatically handles any missing dependencies during installation. Sudo apt install /google-chrome stable _current _und64.deb. In this method, apt takes care of installing the Chrome package, and it will automatically resolve and install any required dependencies. Now that we've successfully installed Google Chrome, it's time to launch the browser. You can do this directly from the terminal, which is a fast and efficient way to open Chrome, especially when working in a command line-driven environment like Kali Linux. Just type Google Chrome in the terminal and hit enter. This command will launch the browser immediately. Using the terminal is a quick way to start Google Chrome without having to navigate through menus. It's particularly useful when you are multitasking or working within the terminal. As you can see, Google Chrome has successfully launched on Kali Linux. From here, you can sign into your Google account, browse the web, and even install extensions just like on any other operating system. Alternatively, if you prefer using the graphical interface, you can also search for Google Chrome in the Applications menu. Just open the menu, type in Google Chrome, and click on the Chrome icon to launch the browser. Whether you choose the terminal or the Applications menu, launching Chrome is seamless and easy. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Kali Linux using a custom directory. This approach not only helps keep things organized but also gives you a streamlined way to manage installations. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.